Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to Clear Skin and Wellbeing. So today I thought I would do some home face massage for the skin. But before I do, if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe, please like, and also please share. Right, slightly different location today. I'm in my bedroom. So I've washed my face and I don't have any products on there whatsoever. You want a very nice clean face, no foundations, no tinted moisturizer, just a very, very clean face. Now, if you do have a very dry face, it's always quite a good idea to put some serum on first, because then when you put the slip on, it's going to hold in that moisturizer, that moisture within the face. So I've washed my face and I'm just about to tie my hair back. Now, it's always important when doing any face massage to use a slip, because you're going to be pulling slightly at the skin and you don't want to be, stretching the skin too much or creating any lines or wrinkles. So once the hair's taken back, I then have my trusted rosehip oil. Any form of oil will do, vegetable based preferably. Otherwise, there are mineral oils, but I do like personally to use the vegetable based, and rosehip oil is natural retinol for the skin, if you like, contains vitamin A. So I do think it does, a double job. So I'm rubbing it into the hands so it's nice and warm, and then just applying it to my face and also my neck. Right. So once it's all applied nicely, as with always, I like to start with a warm-up, then some face massaging, and then just a little bit of detoxification afterwards. So when we first start warming the face and the neck, I just like to go in an upward motion towards the ears. Just go slowly and then across. Cocker spaniel by the side of me, dogs. And then if you can just work the face all along. And then on the other side. Right, so once wants to be in the film. So once we are nicely got it all throughout the face, it's then time for the massage. So you could use your knuckles of your fingers on your hands, or you could just use your fingers. Particularly if you do have sharp nails, it's probably a good idea to use the knuckles, because you don't want to be, stabbing yourself with your nails on your neck. So use the knuckles and just in circular motions, lift up slightly, go up to the neck, and then just work your way along, going up and then across. I like to lift the neck up as well, so I feel like I'm getting a slight more stretch on the neck. You don't have to, but I do, I like to. Then once we've done that, you can just go across the jawline with the knuckles. And then with your fingers, your index finger and your thumb, I like to just go across again, across the jawline. Right, and then once we've done that, circular motions from the chin. You can also incorporate the lips. Get some blood flowing to those as well. And then just in circular motions, go head towards the ears again. And then once we get to that point, so you've got the nose parts here, along there. And then just sweep it across to the ears. Then knuckles again, going across to the ears. You see it goes up and across, up and across. And then working up, I like to just go up to where the cheekbone is. Now when we get to the parts of the eye here, I just like to go very, very slowly. I like to hold on for a bit of resistance and support, and then just in circular, very circular motions, not too heavy-handed, just very lightly. Let's go across. And then on the other side, again, circular motions. And then once we've done that, you can just sort of smooth it out with your fingers. And then once we get to here, we can just go up and across, up and across. Then I like to think of iron out any wrinkles here. Just go, motion going up, and then circular motions going across. Right, so once we've done that, I like to then do a little bit of detoxification, because we've worked the face, we've worked the neck. So let's just very gently, almost a feather-like motion, just work upwards on the neck and again towards the ears. And this will just help with any toxins. And then here again, just slowly from the chin, and then just work across just very lightly down there under the cheek by the eye, and then on the other side, and just work it all out, all towards the ears and the side of the head. And then once we've done that, I like to go round in a circular motion by my ears and the side of the ear to the back of the ear, because this is where all lymph nodes are. And once you get to there, if you can just push it from the back of your neck all the way down, and then here on your collarbone you have 2 points here, and if you can just gently press those, that will release any of the toxins into the body, ready for elimination. So again, I hope you enjoyed this home face massage. Again, if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe, please like, and also please share. And I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.